Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create a YouTube account. To use YouTube, first we need to create a Google account. To do that, open your favorite browser, go to accounts.google.com, click on Create Account. Select an option below. You can create an account for yourself, your child, or to manage your business. After making the selection, you will be navigated to next page. Here, enter your first name and last name. Enter your desired username. This will be your email address. If your desired username is available, proceed to next step. Otherwise, add some numbers or periods. Enter your desired password. Re-enter the password to confirm. Click Next. Now enter your phone number. Enter your existing email address in this field. This will be used to recover your email address in case if you forget your password. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender. Click Next. Now we need to verify our phone number. Click Send to receive OTP on your mobile phone. Enter the OTP and click Verify. You may skip this step or click on Yes, I am in. You may read the terms and conditions and click I agree to accept it. That's it. Your Google account has been created. Now open a new tab and navigate to YouTube. As you can see, our YouTube account is automatically created along with the Google account. You don't need to create a separate account for YouTube. You can use the same login credentials to sign into your YouTube account. This is how you can create your YouTube account. Thank you for watching.